Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Pinterest account to your Instagram account in the Pinterest app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu. From here we just go into the profile menu, and then we have here claimed accounts. We tap on this, and here what this does is that you can claim an Instagram account. You can connect that Instagram account to your Pinterest, and whenever you post to Instagram, the Pinterest app is going to post it to your pins. It's going to add it to the app as a pin. You can just tap on claim to proceed, and here the app is going to show you the steps that you have to take, but that's basically how you do it. After this, it's very straightforward and easy to do. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.